Wood stork is waiting a handout. This is a spoonbill. It's a cloudy morning. I'm at Guana River State Park. It's a little bit rainy. I can feel ripples. So we have some information here. That's where we are right now. It's a popular place to hike and bike. That's a nice place. Blue-gray gnatcatcher. Brown-eyed cowbird just flew over too. Let me see if I can get the picture of blue-gray gnatcatcher. Where did it go? Oh, right here. Okay, come out, come out. I see you. Here you go. Anyway, I left my mosquito spray in the car again. I already feel they're coming out. They're coming to get me. I may have to walk back. That's my view. Oh, you're here. Okay, I could go all the way here, all the way around to come back, or I can go straight back. Oh, look at that, the black-bellied whistling ducks. That's Osprey. Look at that, picture post. Let's do some selfies. It's a nice paved walkway right by the visitor center. So, what this one's supposed to be? I guess it's... they found the old shipwreck. So I pulled up to the other side of the road by the beach area. Look at the sand. Sand is yellow, not white like in Jacksonville. Look at that. It's called Hammock Trail. Let's check it out. Wow. It's looking pretty cool. Look at this little guy. Okay. There's spiders all over the place. Looks like no one's been here for a while. Spider webs are everywhere. Ooh, another spider. Yep, little guy, keep running. So, that's the wreck. That's where the airplane came down. They should put some signs here. And I'm back out. That was just a little loop. It starts sprinkling, so I get the cap to cover my binocular lenses. so that they wouldn't get wet. It is possible to see the whales from here, North Atlantic right whales. Pretty nice. Looks like someone got pulled over. This one is the middle section, beach access at Guana River State Park. Wow, beautiful view. Look at that. It's looking good. It's raining. That's okay. I'm not made out of sugar. That's a nice view from here. Look at that. Ta-da!